All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Hannah's Lovely Garden. And today we are going to chop this Pink Princess mother plant. All right. So you see the beautiful variegation. So a week before nilagyan na natin siya na we put some peat moss to check on the rooting system to respond kung pwede na siya prior to cutting it off. So we're planning to divide this into 3 parts. One, and then for propagation yung dalawa. The two will be for propagation, and we'll cut it here, and right here. All right, it's going to be fun. Okay, first you have to have a disinfected scissors. Actually, huwag kayong matakot. You make sure you have fun. Hindi siya nakakatakot gawin kasi nga, it's supposed to be fun. Alright? We're propagating and it's going to be fun. Ah!
Oh my gosh. Bye, baby.
Mm-hmm.
I
Alright.
love.
There you go.
Oh, it's really pink.
Hmm?
Pinky.
And
Get up.
right. She's bleeding. Yeah. Alright. So we chose this one. It's got its beautiful variegation. So hopefully yung mga anak niya ay going to be that. So nag-respond naman. Kita niyo yung roots. It responded sa ating initial kwan sa peat moss. We use peat moss for propagation. So this is going to be another one mother plant in the future, in the next coming weeks, months, and years. Alright. That's one plant. And then ito.
Nag-respond na talaga siya. Look na siya yung mga new growth
Oh, new growth.
na mga
Roots.
So, there, makikita nyo kasi fresh. Compared dito sa ito yung old na aerial roots. Tapos, naging pink siya kasi new growth siya. So, nag-respond talaga siya sa ating propagation method na peat moss na ilagay doon
Sa aerial root.
mismong aerial roots. So,
Alright.
that means it's ready to cut. Ayan na nga. Kinat na siya. So, ayan. Of course, it's natural. It's bleeding. Ayan. Get off your hands, please. Ano. Alright.
Ito na lang, wag na natin kuhanan pa ng isa.
Wag na. Yan na.
Ito na, no?
Ang ganda ng variegation niya, promise. Ang ganda na, ito, new leaf to eh. Inantay pa namin ito na lumabas, saka kami mag-cut para fully, na siya.
Fully nag-unfurl.
Fully fur, unfur. Oh, para, yun, healthy yung pag niya. So,
Okay?
okay, ang
So
ganda
today
niya.
is January 27, 2021. And we'll give you an update if this thing will survive, alright? So, comment below kung gusto nyo ng kopya. Alright. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to click like, share, and subscribe para magiging updated kayo sa aming future uploads. And see you!
Sama mo. Sige na, ayan ba?
Yan. So, ang ganda eh, di ba? So, actually, na-COVID din ako sa That's why we haven't been vlogging or doing anything creative. Kasi you can see how much we have gone so far since this pandemic. You will see a wide range of collection from rare, uncommon, endemic, and all of those kind of plants. It's here in our garden. Look up for Hannah's Lovely Garden. Check it in Google Maps or everywhere, Waze or whatever you use. Bisita kayo rito and you'll have your own copycat of your own Pink Princess. This, marami. We have Brazil. So beautiful variegation. Huh? Alright, sige. Again, bye!